Namaste. Today we are going to learn the boat pose or Navasana. This pose can help to strengthen your core, hip flexors, and spine. Boat pose also helps to improve your digestion too. First, sit in your Tadasana pose. Straighten your spine, look forward, and stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly bend your knees and feet on the floor. Adjust your hip bones. Place your hands behind your knees. Lift the chest, engaging the back muscles as you inhale. Engage your inner thighs and draw your belly in and up. Tip back on the back of your sitting bones and lift your feet up about knee height. Toes spread out. Bring your arms parallel to the floor. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Draw your belly in and up. To come up from the pose on an exhalation, bring your feet down and sit with a straight spine, holding on to your legs for a few couple of breaths and back to Tadasana again.